When it comes to the amount of energy we can draw from the planet, something has to give. If you're thinking about how to manage your energy needs in the future, it's likely that Energy Efficient Solutions Group already have the answer. Our energy solutions, including LED, solar, EVC, heating and monitoring, help empower our customers to control their energy consumption, better manage their carbon footprint and reduce their costs significantly. Our technology will always deliver value, but it's more than providing solutions. It's about creating shared goals with our customers and listening to their needs. Solving the energy challenge is beyond the scope of the individual, which is why we exist, part of a new pattern of consciousness in energy efficiency.
We provide a dedicated project manager for each job because they can work closely with our customers and stay through the whole installation process and make it a successful project. Our in-house team is very well experienced in working in diverse and challenging environment with aim of having minimum disruption and inconvenience to our customers.
Engineers are certified, insured, health and safety qualified and passionate about delivering exceptional service.
Everything we do is based around our customers' requirements, be it to offer the maximum carbon reduction process that we can offer, or a new design, but also making sure that we deliver on these promises. An indication of how we manage to portray this message and deliver on these promises is the fact that over 40% of all our new business is from referral or from client recommendation.
Significant investment in skills, inventory and supply chain management, EESG is your foremost technological partner in your journey to net zero and decarbonisation.
As a climate positive business, we have made a commitment to double offset our carbon emissions every year through global renewable energy projects.
In a real sense, EESG is protecting your business from fluctuations in the energy markets whilst ensuring bottom line cost savings. Making wise choices about your future energy supply with EESG is a natural first step to ensuring a lifetime of energy needs that are in perfect harmony with your business and our planet.